Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm in my room right now because low-key tired from coming in from the office, working and stuff. But I had to finish this vlog. So this vlog is lit. It's a mixture of graduation, sewing, traveling, all that. So you about to catch a vibe. Yeah. If you guys want like more, let's say DIY videos that kind of break it down slower, you feel me? I can start making those too. So those are coming soon. Comment below, please, if you feeling that, because it's about to happen. And yeah, get into the video. I am about to go on a trip. I'm on my way to go pick up my daughter. I missed her so much. It's been like a month and some change. I'm getting her from Atlanta. So this little vloggy vlog, I guess, is just gonna be another travel vlog. I have no clue what I'm gonna get into. So let's just vibe out, y'all. Let me return this rental first though, because yeah, they not charging me while I'm gone. Ooh. So as soon as I get to Atlanta, you know I had to hit up a Joann's. Their Joann's is so different from up here. Like in the DMV, our Joann's are like for moms, not for creatives, if that makes sense. Anywho, this is the biggest Joann's I have seen in my life. All right, so after y'all was, you know, ready to pack up and go, you feel me? She's done visiting with her peoples. We ready to go home, you feel me? We about to hit the airport, okay? And AdiYah was ready. Okay, she been flying since, what, 2? She's 4 now, so she a little experienced for her age.
Hey, Basados made this.
Was so soft and buttery and stretchy, like it's just giving what it needs to give. So this segment right here is the part where we're gonna get into the sewing, because yeah, she did that. So let's get into this fabric I got. It's amazing and stretchy and just the perfect tone of white I was looking for. Right now, after I cut everything out, I'm just kind of like draping, I guess this is what it's called. Mind y'all, I did not go to school for this, so I took 2 pieces that are like rectangles and stitched them together in the middle. Now I'm about to finish all the edges and make a sleeve part. So, this is. My dress are matching. All right, so y'all know, you feel me? I got locks, you feel me? I'm locked in. I'm a lock shawty or whatever. But for graduation, I just wanted to get dressed up like a Barbie doll and be that Barbie doll with the NBA for the weekend. So that's what it's giving. Yeah, just wait.
Let me get my glasses on so I can see it. What is that? Oh, it's
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Cut that shit up, man. These women impossible, fuck her like prostitute, but I'ma make her a star. I grew up with them demons, a plotting and scheming, they gave me a treacherous heart.
Hellcat is a demon, I pull up 2-seater, I'm pushing the star. I just pop me a bean and it feel like I'm dreaming.
I'm flawless, then turned to a god.
Let's go. Blew the brain, then I blew out the roof. Flawless, I drip in Dior.
historical moment.
hands dirty, money clean. She said I'm a demon when I'm on promethazine, that's the dream. CDG, my heart is on my sleeve. Exotic weed, help me stay low-key, ayy. Wop, wop, scared of the dark, I get so high, I do not know who you are. Louis, I don't wear raw. She asked me to hit it raw, no. Say do not know who you are, yeah. Damn, my breath got long. Took it real far, yeah. Crushed me up a bar. On my zone, yeah. Took a long ass flight. Got lost in a wave last night.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Went to go invest. Could've spent it on
my jewelry on eye. Fool me won't say no fool, let me tell you. Catch your eye like my name, Jerry Riley. Play with mine and don't take your life. 4-5 on his back like you might.
I'm about to brush my teeth and take a shower and all that and relax. We just got finished up the vloggy vlog. A gold tooth. What? Let me finish. Hold on. Okay. Action. So, graduation. I had to fight through that joint. I was like halfway gone, honestly. But yeah, it's done. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. You feel me? Comment, like, and subscribe. If y'all don't, y'all not real. Y'all just watching to watch. Y'all watchers. Please subscribe. Okay, bye.
Ice, baby. Pop me a bean and I'm finna go.